Imagine sitting in a quiet room, and suddenly the sound of someone chewing or tapping their pen feels like nails on a chalkboard. This overwhelming emotion is not just irritation. For those with misophonia, it's a deeply distressing experience. Misophonia, meaning hatred of sound, is a condition where specific noises trigger intense emotional reactions, ranging from anger to anxiety. These sounds, often referred to as trigger sounds, can include everyday noises like breathing, chewing, or even repetitive tapping. Research into misophonia is relatively new, but it has started uncovering the neurological underpinnings of this phenomenon. Studies suggest that there's heightened connectivity between the auditory cortex, responsible for processing sound, and the areas of the brain associated with regulating emotions. This heightened communication could explain the intense emotional reactions experienced by those with misophonia. While the exact cause is still under investigation, some theories propose that it could be linked to past traumas or genetic factors. Understanding misophonia is crucial for those who live with it, as well as for their families and friends, to foster empathy and support.